In this video, I'll guide you through how to recover your Substack account. If you've found yourself locked out of your account or simply want to ensure your account is secure, you're in the right place. We're going to walk through the process step by step to make sure you regain access safely and securely. First, let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to substack.com. This is the main website where you can access all of your account settings and manage your subscriptions. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to locate the dashboard. It's typically straightforward to find, often situated at the top section of the page. Clicking on the dashboard will take you to a more personalized view of your account. Now, once you're in your dashboard, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You should see a profile icon which represents your account. Go ahead and click on this icon. It serves as a gateway to all your personal account settings and is crucial for our recovery process. After clicking the profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This is where you'll find all the necessary options to recover and secure your account. The settings page is designed to give you control over your account preferences, including security features that are essential for account recovery. Once you're in the settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Security. This section is pivotal as it contains all the security measures you can enable to protect your account. If you've had trouble accessing your account, this is where you'll find the tools to help you recover it and prevent future issues. Within the security section, you'll see options to enable a recovery question and two-factor authentication. Both of these features are highly recommended for securing your account. Start by enabling the recovery question. This will add an extra layer of security by allowing you to recover your account through a personal question only you know the answer to. After setting up your recovery question, move on to enabling two-factor authentication. This is a crucial step for enhancing the security of your Substack account. With two-factor authentication, even if someone else gets hold of your password, they won't be able to access your account without a second form of verification, typically done through your mobile device. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've not only set your account up for recovery, but also fortified it against unauthorized access. Remember, keeping your account secure is an ongoing process, and these measures are an excellent way to start. If you have any further questions about securing your account or encounter any issues, Substack's support team is just a click away and ready to help. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in getting your Substack account back on track. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips. Stay safe and secure online.